Step into a world where elegance meets simplicity. Welcome to the Modern Minimalist House, where natural stone and warm wooden accents blend seamlessly with contemporary design. Every corner is crafted to inspire serenity, comfort, and sophistication. Join us on this journey through architectural beauty and interior harmony, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring home tours that celebrate timeless design. Welcome to Creative Abode. We explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring living spaces. Whether transforming your home or discovering design trends, you're in the right place. Let's create stylish, comfortable, and creative spaces together. From above the entrance, the home reveals its striking geometry. Sleek lines softened by earthy textures. Natural stone walls rise with quiet confidence, complemented by warm wooden accents that frame the structure in elegance. Floor-to-ceiling glass windows invite light into the heart of the home, while the front yard whispers sophistication with its minimalist landscaping. At dusk, ambient lighting gently highlights the architecture, turning the front facade into a canvas of modern artistry. Stepping inside, the living room greets you with understated luxury. Neutral-toned sofas rest against a feature wall clad in natural stone, their clean silhouettes inviting rest and reflection. A wooden coffee table, carved with organic textures, anchors the space as sunlight streams through expansive windows. Elegant side lamps cast a warm glow, creating layers of contrast between soft shadows and polished surfaces. The atmosphere is both serene and stylish, a perfect balance of comfort and design. The master bedroom embraces tranquility with effortless sophistication. A stone-accented wall frames the bed, its textured surface contrasting beautifully with the smooth wooden flooring. A low platform bed dressed in crisp linens invites relaxation, while expansive windows open to views of lush greenery, dissolving the line between indoors and out. Gentle, recessed lighting enhances the calm ambience, painting the room with soft highlights that transform night into a sanctuary of rest. The kitchen redefines modern elegance with a palette of rich contrasts. Sleek black stone countertops gleam under pendant lights, their reflective surfaces accentuating the warmth of wooden cabinetry. An island centerpiece invites both culinary creativity and intimate conversation, while open shelving adds a touch of minimal charm. Built-in appliances merge seamlessly with the design, ensuring a functional yet refined atmosphere. Here, every detail speaks to balance, utility elevated by sophistication. Above the main living area, the mezzanine hovers like a gallery of refined design. Wooden flooring leads to an intimate seating space framed by dark steel and wood railings. Overlooking the living room below, it connects openness with privacy, offering a perch for reading or reflection. Natural light pours in through tall glass walls, creating a dynamic play of light and shadow throughout the day. This elevated retreat embodies the essence of minimalism: space, air, and elegance in harmony. A sanctuary of wellness, the bathroom combines luxury with minimalism. Stone walls, textured with natural variation, surround a freestanding tub that becomes the room's centerpiece. A wooden vanity, topped with a vessel sink, adds warmth to the cool stone palette. Frameless glass encloses a sleek shower, while soft, ambient lighting enhances the sense of calm. Green plants bring life to the space, ensuring the design feels organic and refreshing. Every detail reflects elegance in simplicity. The front yard is designed as a serene prelude to the home's interior. A stone pathway guides visitors toward a wooden entrance framed with minimalist lines, inviting exploration. Neatly pruned greenery lines the walkway, while small accent trees provide balance and structure. Modern lighting, integrated into the stone, illuminates the approach with subtle sophistication. By evening, the space transforms into a welcoming scene, where natural textures and design precision create harmony from the very first step. Elevated above the bustle, the rooftop offers a retreat into sky and serenity. Natural stone flooring provides a timeless foundation, while a wooden pergola casts patterned shadows across the space. Minimalist outdoor furniture sits arranged for conversation and reflection, softened by cushions in earthy tones. Potted greenery punctuates the design with life. As night falls, warm lights transform the rooftop into a glowing sanctuary, a space where modern design embraces the horizon. The working room balances focus with aesthetic calm. A wooden desk anchors the space against a refined stone accent wall, while floating shelves display curated decor with precision. Natural light streams in through large windows, energizing the atmosphere, while task lighting provides clarity for late hours. The muted color palette, paired with modern ergonomic furniture, ensures functionality without clutter. Here, productivity meets elegance, creating a workspace that inspires creativity and calm focus. The backyard completes the home with a space designed for relaxation and gathering. A wooden deck extends outward, furnished with sleek lounge chairs for sunlit afternoons. A minimalist pool reflects the sky and surrounding greenery, bordered by textured stone walls that add depth and contrast. Subtle lighting casts soft glows across the landscape as evening arrives. The backyard is both tranquil and inviting, a modern retreat where architecture and nature coexist in balance. This modern minimalist house is more than design, it is a lifestyle, blending stone, wood, and light into a masterpiece of harmony. Each space tells its own story, yet together they form a home of timeless elegance. If you've been inspired by this journey, subscribe now and join us as we explore more homes that celebrate beauty, balance, and innovation.